Farm Machinery Maintenance. Hello, I am Rodrigo De Leon Jr. Bato A. So today I am here because I need to clean the thresher machine. First, so we need to clean the thresher after harvesting to minimize losses owing to shattering of grains. Clean newly threshed grains immediately to preserve the stability in rice milling quality. As you can see here, I am fixing the bolts because I say that some of the bolts were loosened, so what I did was tighten it well. And then we also need to check the fuel. There is still a lot of fuel, maybe because if we use it and then it's empty of fuel, it might still malfunction. That's why we need to check it. We need to check the oil of the thresher machine equipment. Maybe it has run out of oil, so we can put it on so that if we use it, there will be no problem.